Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. How is everybody doing today? We're doing great. Finally got some nice weather here in BC, in Delta, British Columbia. Take you for a little tour of the project we're doing right now. As you can see, we have an amazing view here. As usual, this is day one roof replacement we're doing in Ladner. Got the first side strip. You guys are just prepping it right now. The front skirt strip. We're replacing all these skylight windows with brand new opening skylight windows with screens on them. Sorry about the huffing and puffing, I've been running around. As you can see, it's a fairly easy roof. So yeah, I just thought I would give you guys a little update on what we've been up to lately. Had a lot of rain the last couple days, so haven't been able to put out a video. So again, if you're in the Lower Mainland, British Columbia, and you need a free roof estimate, call us at 778-686-7663, or you can visit us at armyroofing.com. We'll come by and give you a free estimate. Bye for now, guys.